Join me as I take on the challenge of drawing Spider-Gwen in just 1 hour. Let's see if I can bring her to life on the board. Many fans struggle to capture the essence of Spider-Gwen in their art. How can we represent her unique style and personality effectively? It starts with understanding who she is, confident, edgy, and full of heart. Her suit isn't just a costume. It's a reflection of her world. Neon tones, bold lines, and that iconic hooded look all speak to her punk rock roots and alternate universe energy. But it's more than just the visuals. Her body language is agile and expressive. She's a dancer in the air, fluid and fierce. Her personality blends rebellion with empathy, making her both relatable and inspiring. To truly bring her to life, artists need to tap into her emotional depth, the sense of responsibility, the weight of loss, and the strength she finds through it. Pay attention to her colors, her flow, her attitude. Let her story guide your lines. When you draw Spider-Gwen, you're not just drawing a superhero, you're drawing a legacy redefined. Capture that vibe, and you capture her. Until next time, stay curious and be creative.